Hello, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever entered a situation you have to divide a certain amount of money in ratio? Here we have a ratio problem we are going to do step by step. The question says, if three people, John, Dennis, and Cosmas, share $54 in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively, how much did Dennis get? As we can see, John, Dennis, and Cosmas, they didn't share this amount of money equally. They divide among themselves in ratio of 3, 2, and 1. We need the amount that Dennis got. Given John ratio Dennis ratio Cosmas, this is equal to 3:2:1 respectively. This means that John has a ratio of 3, Dennis has a ratio of 2, and Cosmas has a ratio of 1. Total amount they share is equal to $54. Dennis got what amount? First of all, let us find the total ratio, which is given by 3 plus 2 plus 1. We are going to get this is equal to 6. We need to get the amount of Dennis. Dennis has a ratio 2, so we need 2 out of 6 of $54. That is 2 out of 6 multiplied by 54 by 6, 1 by 6, it is 9. 2 times 9, we got 18. This is dollars. Dennis get $18. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on ratios, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.